How to cancel Wix premium subscriptions and get a full refund. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can cancel your Wix premium subscriptions and get a full refund. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Wix and make sure that you're logged in. So once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the top section, click on the search bar that says search for tools, apps, help and more. And in the search bar, type in cancel. Once you search for it, you will have these options. Here it says premium subscription settings, click on the second option. Now you'll be taken into this section. So if you have any of the premium subscriptions active in your account, this will be loaded right here in this interface. In my case, currently, I don't have any active premium subscriptions. But in your case, if you already have some, you will get this on your interface. Now next to the subscriptions, there you will have three dot icon, click on it. Now from the pop-up box, you have to select cancel subscriptions. Then you'll be taken into the process for canceling your subscriptions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, where you'll be asked to enter the reason why you want to cancel the subscriptions. Provide your valid reason, then press it for the subscriptions or cancel subscriptions method. Then confirm your cancellation. After that, you will receive a confirmation mail in your account saying that your account or your subscriptions has been cancelled, and also there you will have a notifications regarding your refund policy as well. That's it. That's how you cancel premium subscriptions on Wix, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.